Win big, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we'll delve into a popular English phrase, win big. By the end of this session, you'll not only know its meaning but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. Win, in English, means to achieve victory in a contest, race, or game. Big often refers to something of a large size or magnitude. However, when these two words come together as the phrase, win big, they take on a more specific meaning. In most contexts, win big does not just mean to win something by a large margin. It often implies a significant, often unexpected, victory or success. It can be used to describe winning a substantial amount of money, achieving a notable accomplishment, or succeeding beyond one's expectations. For example, 1. She won big at the casino last night. 2. By investing in those stocks early, he won big. Understanding how a phrase is used in different contexts is crucial. Here are some instances where win big can be applied. 1. Gambling, when someone earns a lot more money than they initially bet. 2. Business, refers to a significant profit or a venture turning out to be highly successful. 3. Competitions, when someone doesn't just win but dominates the competition. 4. Personal achievements, when someone surpasses their own expectations in any task or endeavor. To avoid confusion, here's what win big is not. 1. It doesn't always mean winning by a large margin in terms of numbers or score. 2. It's not restricted to monetary gains. It can be about any significant success. And there you have it, the meaning and various uses of the phrase, win big. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and emotions they convey. Now, the next time you hear or see the phrase, win big, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it effectively. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.